Welcome to Pro Stock Tracker. Today, we'll be exploring the Trade Report, your comprehensive tool for understanding your investment transactions. In this video, we'll dive into this report, designed to give you an in-depth analysis of your portfolio's trading history over any time frame. We'll start by exploring the 4 tabs at the top of the report, which summarize key aspects of your trading activities. Holdings, the total number of unique holdings involved in the displayed transactions. Cash inflow, the total amount of money invested into the portfolio or selected holding during the specified period. Cash outflow, the total amount of money withdrawn from the portfolio or selected holding during the specified period. Cash flow, the net difference between cash inflow and cash outflow, representing the overall change in cash position due to trading activities. You can apply filters, such as choosing a specific date range from our preset options, or by entering a custom start and end date. You can then select a specific holding from the drop-down menu to focus the report on its transactions only. Lastly, you can download the report data for your holdings as a CSV file. Now, let's look at the chart, an interactive visualization depicting your portfolio or selected holdings cash flow over time. You can toggle between monthly, quarterly, or yearly views to see how your trading activities have impacted your cash position. Notice that the chart uses green bars for cash inflows, money invested in your portfolio, red bars for cash outflows, money withdrawn from your portfolio, and a blue dot for the resulting net cash flow. Below the chart, you'll find the trade table showing each transaction's details. You can see the holding ticker and name, date, type of transaction, quantity, price, exchange rate, fee, and total value in your portfolio's currency. You can sort the table by clicking on any column header. Additionally, clicking on a holding will take you to that holding's individual page for a more in-depth look. That concludes our overview of the trade report. Now you can track your investment success and make informed decisions with Pro Stock Tracker.